Hello, today we'll be opening every single pack in the black and brown section. Let's start. Get it. Oh my god! You got Frankie? That was a good one. That was a good one. Is this gonna be bad now? Oh, we got a team of the year. That might be the worst. Come on, these are being bad. Okay. 100 days back. I forgot Erling Haaland didn't even get a cup. Oh my god, get out. Oh my god. Showing the best. Euro particle. It has to be something. Oh my goodness. It has to be something. France, oh my god. Bro, that's too good. Oh, that's so good. Okay, that's actually good. You know what? How much is Theo going on the market? Lowest is 5.5 million coins. I'm gonna put like not 800,000 right now. So we're paying 30 million. Why not? I'll give it. Okay.